Hi, first grade. Today in writing, we will observe nature and brainstorm some ideas for our story. We will do this by reading Why the Sun and the Moon Live in the Sky and go outside and take a picture of nature and then label what we see. This is important so that we can become better writers. Now I want you to click on the story and listen to Why the Sun and the Moon Live in the Sky. Did you hear any past tense verbs in that story? Here are a few past tense verbs that I heard. I heard lived, used, asked, replied, promised, returned, greeted, completed, arrived, answered, accompanied, and flowed. What do all those verbs have in common? How are they all the same? They do all end with ed. Why do they all end with ed? What does that mean? That's right. That means they are past tense. They already happened. So they are past tense ending with ed. Now, today something we're going to do is brainstorm a list. A brainstorm is when a writer thinks of things to write about. These ideas pop into their brain like lightning in a storm. They just pop in there all of a sudden. Sometimes we think of people or animals or food or other things that we love. Then we can write about favorite places to visit. We list favorite places. We can brainstorm all the favorite places that we like to go to. We can list all the feelings that we have. We can write about memories. We can pop up memories in our head and write them down. Things that you like to do. You can make a list. You can brainstorm a list of things that you like to do. And then when you have this list, you can decide what you want to write about. You're going to make sure you can write a lot of details about your ideas, so it needs to be something you know a lot about. And we will work on brainstorming some more tomorrow. But first, today, we're going to go outside and we're going to take a picture of nature. Then we are going to use the markup tool on the iPad to label the parts of your picture that you found in nature. It doesn't have to be like this one. This one labeled the sky. This one labeled a tree. There's some dirt, some flowers, some grass, and some leaves. Now, you can take a picture of whatever nature you have outside, but label what you see, okay? So then when it comes time to come up with an idea for your characters in your story, then you can use your picture to write a story about. So now what you're going to do is go take your iPad and go outside and take a picture of nature, and then use the markup tool on your iPad to label what you see in your picture. So let's review real quick what we talked about. We listened to our new story, Why the Sun and Moon Live in the Sky. And then we came up with some past tense verbs we heard in the story. And then we talked about what brainstorming is. Brainstorming is listing ideas that pop into your brain. And then you are going to go outside and take a picture of nature and use the markup tool on your iPad to label what you see. And then we're going to do something exciting with this picture tomorrow. Bye.